Now, before we get into the video, I just want to quickly let you guys know we have a free public Telegram group where we have been uploading results from the past 2 years. We upload monthly and quarterly reports as well as client and student testimonials. We also upload free trades and setups from time to time, so do feel free to check that out. Link will be in the description below. Now, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Hello guys, and welcome back to the Capital Traders Group YouTube channel. Now in this video I will be breaking down the previous BTC call we made where we're anticipating this bearish move to take out the 30k lows. Now I'll clip a video now from the previous YouTube video just to show you guys how we broke it down exactly play by play. Come down from this level, right? The fake out zone which I mentioned here, right? If we just slow down, come right above, create a bull trap, clear all that hit those selling SLs and then dump right below, then we can see a very quick flash crash down to the 20k region. So that is the scenario I'm looking at BTC for now. There's two very clear scenarios. If I see lower time frame confirmations from the fake out zone with momentum slowing down and liquidity hunted from these zones, then we are then we're in for a very high probability short back down to the 30k levels. Okay. Now, as you can see from that previous video, price came above this fake out zone, liquidated those highs, and then gave us lower time frame confirmations where we were able to enter with a refined SL and be able to capture the main move down to take out these lows here. Now price played out exactly how we anticipated. We were able to catch a RR of about 1 to 33. It maxed out about 1 to 33. I'm still holding about 25% of my position. I took about 75% off profit at the 27k region, where we start seeing choppy price action just to take profit out the market. Now the reason I'm still holding is because I'm anticipating a break of this low here. I want to see a liquidation of this low before I see any potential rally to come into play. Now just to break this down further, we were able to take another short-term sell above this range here, where I was anticipating the sells to come down from this region, but we saw a stop hunt take place here and we were able to enter with a much better RR in play. I'm still anticipating a break of this low here to price to come back down. We took profit at the $1,800 pip region, but I'm still anticipating another move to come back. This is just some weekly, as we had the weekly candle closure, this is just some small volume we're anticipating during Asia session, but I'm still anticipating another bearish move down before we see any potential bull move in the future, which I will cover shortly. But the bear move that we mainly caught as we were anticipating played out. It was about a 20, if I just highlight this, is about a 22,000 pip move, almost a 23,000 pip move. I was also able to catch a smaller RR play, which was an intraday play about maxed out about 1 to 5. We took profit about 1 to 3. I will leave screenshots of this of the MT4 terminal as well as the profit we were able to catch in the from this single move alone. But yeah, this was a very simple move, but it would just required a lot of patience. Okay, that's why we've been waiting. We've been holding this position for about over a month now, and I am still holding, anticipating that that break of that 24k region. Now from the range move that we're currently in, I'll leave a screenshot of that as well, of the move that I shared. We shared it in the public Telegram group as well, from this region here, where I was anticipating the move. The move did take a little longer to play out, because if you'll see from the left here, if I just get rid of all of this, from this zone here, where I shared the move, what we saw is we saw a breakdown, a takeout of these lows, and then price came out to take out these highs here to liquidate both buyers and then sellers, and that's exactly when we entered into the move. Now we are currently break even as we take in partials at this region here before the weekend. I'm still going to be holding. If we do see a potential retest of this region, we may re-enter as well. And I'll share this. I may share this move with the public in the public Telegram group as well. So make sure, if you haven't already, you hit the link in the description down below. So now I've covered the basic of the move that we basically anticipated and took advantage of. Now let's cover what I'm anticipating to see in the future for the next move to come in BTC. So now what we've seen from BTC is we've seen these lows taken, right? We've seen this price come down and liquidate all these buyers. But now what I want to see is a liquidation of this region here and price to come back down to fill this gap of this region, to then where I'll be anticipating a bear trap, right? We're going to see more heavy bearish sentiment come into the market. Now, already today, if you today is the 6th of June, the current crypto fear and index indicator it's 10. It's complete and optimal fear. So this is a very good inclination of a a bullish move to come. Now the move I'm anticipating is after this low is liquidated, I want to see price create a sort of a bear trap at this region where we'll look for lower time frame confirmations, and I'll look to take out more profit from this original sell move that we were able to capture from here. Then where I'll be looking to take margin longs with the team up into the 40k region. Now there's a reason why I'm anticipating price to come into the 40k region. It's my particular point of interest. Now if I just move this, it's my particular point of interest where I'm anticipating price to come just above this region here. I want to see price, I want to see price take the low and then come back above this region where we might even see some a fake out where we see price come above, allow dumb money to enter at that price thinking that a potential bull run will come, right, which in essence just will be another fake out, which is the exact same thing we saw here. We saw a wedge breakout, right, and retail would have been buying. We caught a buy here as well, but we were taking out a break even, and then what price just dumped secondary after. Okay, that is what I'm anticipating, the same sort of fake move to come and take place once price comes in between this level. And this is exactly where we will be looking to short the market, and also potentially take profit in our long-term crypto or BTC holdings as well, where we'll be looking to see that next bear move to come. Okay, now I'm gonna expect a lot sub 19k BTC levels. I won't I'm not going to go into the long-term play, as that is only mapped out for our premium members, but that is what I'm anticipating currently from BTC. After I want to see a liquidation of this low, and that is exactly where we'll be looking to get into those margin longs to come into the 40k region. I'm anticipating 40k region to be tapped, as we have trapped liquidity at these levels, and that increases the probability of price coming back to these levels. And this is exactly where I'll be looking to take profit on my some more profit out of my long-term crypto holdings, and also be looking to take marginal shorts along with the team. To conclude, as this is the move I'm anticipating that I've just highlighted, you'll see the same move play out on all your different favorite altcoins as well. You're gonna see we're gonna anticipate the same move to play out on the rest of the crypto market in particular. So do keep a look at that, because you'll see the same things play out on ETH, XRP, Cardano, etc. So I want to see BTC play out first, and then we'll act accordingly with our altcoin portfolio as well. But in essence, the rule of thumb is once whatever BTC does, the rest of the market will mirror anyway. So that's why even if you don't hold any BTC, is a very good it's a very good inclination to understand what BTC is going to do next. So that is what I'm anticipating to happen next in the coming days or weeks. We're going to see a potential fake rally to induce more buyers into the market before smart money starts shorting the hell out of the market, and that is exactly what we will be doing as well. I'm anticipating prices to come back into the 40k and potential 44k region before we see that next bear push down. So when you see that move come, don't hop into the market. Don't fear missing out. When that happens, I can't alliterate this enough, take profits out the market and buy at much lower prices. You ideally want to be buying, especially crypto, when nobody else wants to buy it. That's how you successfully invest, whether it's crypto, stocks, whatever market is, even real estate. You want to be a buyer when nobody else wants to buy, and you want to be a seller when nobody else wants to sell. And looking at the macroeconomic models as well, where we're coming likely going to see a very bad recession also. So before we see that, we're going to see a bear trap take place from this region here, and that is where I'm will be taking profits, and I suggest you do the same. So if you guys found like this video, please leave a like and a comment. We would appreciate it a lot more, and I'll also like to upload a lot more videos like this as well. So any support would be appreciated, and if you want to join any of our services, you can you can check the description down below, and you can find out anything you want. We also, if you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comment section below, or you can send us a DM on our on our Capital Traders Instagram group, and we'll get back to you shortly. So with all said and done, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.